name is Prem Tatikonda and I'm working at Vinvesta right now. In every semester, the subjects were very thoughtfully provided to us so that in the first semester, you learn the fundamentals of computer programming. And in the next semester, we did front end and then back end, and then we went into cloud. So, like the detailed curriculum process that we had, or like the entire flow that we had, that gave me a very streamlined process of how to learn things the better way. Many of the merge-type projects as well as mobile development projects that we worked on during college helped me crack my interview today, because of which I am working as a full stack and a mobile developer right now. My role is a full stack and AI/ML developer. So I will be working on full stack applications, mainly front end and integrating the back end into it. I will also be building AI agents throughout the entire time. So the GitHub projects and the industry events added a lot onto my resume, and it gave me a lot of things that I can talk about during the interviews. It gave me the amount of exposure that I needed to actually go out and present myself in front of an interview. So compared to other traditional colleges, in our college we were given that particular liberty to practice whatever we learned. We got the chance to build projects on the go so that we know how things work in real life and we can adapt to situations based on the kind of projects that we need to build. The one-on-one interviews and the mock interview sessions that we had actually helped me understand a lot about the things that were missing in me, and it actually taught me how to present the better version of myself in front of an interview. The most exciting and memorable moment for me was when we hosted the first hackathon in college, and me being the part of the co-lead of the hackathon club, I was very much into the entire organization of the hackathon throughout the entire time, and seeing how the hackathon was a big success and it actually turned out so well, that is one of the most memorable moments for me. So at first it might feel a little overwhelming because there is a lot to do, but trust me, the more dedicated and hardworking you are, the more better you'll be able to get through the entire curriculum and get into the industry level of developers that you need to be.